Nanggaling sa party ang aking asawa. Tinake out niya ako ng food. So, ang timbang ko before, bago ko umalis, is 50 or 51 kilo. So, ngayon, let's see. We're here na sa Singapore. We just arrived, guys. Ayun na agad ang aking anik. Go. Yan lang ang ating luggage kineme. And we're off. Bilis ko lang nakuha ng aking luggage. Go. Good morning, guys. It's Happy Tuesday. So, kauuwi ko lang galing Pilipinas. So, first day back in Singapore. So, ilalayo muna natin ang ating camera dahil sa ating Tesla, dahil Hagarda. Ang gagawin ko ay ilang kilo kaya ang na-add sa aking way for 2 weeks na nagstay ako sa Pilipinas kasi puro kain ng kain. Kaya, titignan natin kung how much yung na-add ko. Okay? So, yun. Nagpalit ng gamit. Okay na yan. Sa sobrang pagod. Kasi anong oras pa ako dumating dito sa bahay? 12:00 na ng umaga ako nakarating. So, yun. So, let's see kung ilan yung nadagdag na kilo sa akin timbang. So, yun. Go! Wait lang. So, let's go na. Ang dumi ng balar. Look at that. Titimbang na kayis. Good morning. Chiriyong. Yan ang tumambang. Okay. Titimbang na tayo. So, ang timbang ko before, bago ko umalis, is 50 or 51 kilo. So, ngayon, let's see. Oh! 52.1 only. Babe, I'm only 52 point. chicken. Maybe.
That's still too cute.
52.1.
So, that's how much you put on. Feel
Yeah.
that. That's a lot.
Yeah. For
2 kilos.
2 kilo, yeah.
Yeah.
So
2
you-
kilos is a lot.
May kamot.
In 2 weeks you put on 2 kilos.
Yeah, put on, 2 kilo.
Good work, mate. Well done.
Kaya pala laki ng tiyan ko na. So, yarn. Yan, kilo. Kakapon muna me. And then, hala. Kafaya lang. Make. Yon, and then go. Let's have coffee first. Ayan ang aking katawan sheet. Go. This is my first lunch. My food pala, first food of the day. It's omelette with salmon kineme.
And sourdough bread.
Yep, that's it. Go.
So when it comes to bread, sourdough is actually quite good bread. I don't know, something to do with oats, mate.
Is this the one that you're saying?
Good time.
It's here because I thought you put it. Good evening, guys! So, ngayon lang ako magba-vlog. La, kuda siya ng kuda to. I don't understand you.
I know, because I'm talking to you.
So, nanggaling sa party ang aking Josawa. Tinake-outan niya ako ng food. Look at the food. Smells like Asian food.
Check that.
Okay. So, this is... Did you buy this or
No,
did the
that's from
party?
the party.
Okay.
Sam packed it for you.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Bihon. Bihon. And what's this one?
You have to do.
Wait. I don't know what this is. Kasi para siyang curry.
Yeah, it's a curry of some sort.
Ah, yeah. Oh. That's curry. I think it's chicken curry. It smells like... Yeah, it's chicken curry.
So with the bean, carrot.
Ah, yeah, 2 chicken curry. Nag-Sharon. Sharon niya na po ang aking Josawa. Josawang afam. And this one. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. What's this one then?
That one, eat it. It's nice. It's really just to eat the inside. How many did she put in there? Just a couple, but they're really nice. You just open it up and eat the inside. Here.
Huh. Ah, that's different. This one is what? This one is different flavor also.
Yeah.
It's curry flavor.
Mm. It's nice.
This one, I don't know what it is. Tastes like
Well, it's spicy. The red one is spicy.
this one, like the crab stick. Ano? Tastes like. Inihaw siya sa. What's this leaf? It's sa coconut. No, it's not banana. Coconut leaf. Inihaw siya doon. Tapos may iba't iba siyang anik. May chopstick sa gilid.
Did you eat?
May iba-iba siyang flavor.
Spicy.
So, That's it.
Hmm.
Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog. So, bukas ulit pag
Drunken husband supplies.
at lasing ang aking asawa. Nalasing ho! Go.
What's that? What did that mean?
Nothing, I said you're drunk.
But I'm not shit faced.
Yeah, you're not shit. Good job.
Alright?
Okay, tomorrow again. So, bukas pala hindi na ako magluluto dahil ang dami na naming ulam. Ayan. Plus, meron pang bihon na maputlang bihon. Pero ganito talaga yung bihon sa kanila. Parang Malaysian yung gawa. So, yon. That's it. Okay? Tomorrow.